Indication of rate stabilization would be king for Upstart. Yeah, it would be. I agree with that. I don't. Their earnings aren't going to be good. There's very little question that they're going to continue to have not great earnings. Might be a little better than last earnings, but not a ton. I'm back. Ding ding. Penis penis penis. What's up, Dork? How you doing, man? You know what I hate right now? Market uncertainty. Now, ding ding. The day is done. Well, that was fun. Market moving quite bullishly today in anticipation of the earnings tomorrow. However, largely still strangled and straddled between 4120 and 4075 now. At this point at like 4100 through 4110. I expect that tomorrow's outcome is going to either be middling or slightly bearish. But I suppose there is a chance for continued cooling in inflation, in which case we could see a gap fill by end of day Tuesday up to the 4156 level, where that gap is. I think it's 4156 to 62. Obviously after that, then we run into the SLD period, which begins on Wednesday and carries through Monday of next week, which I expect will be moderately bearish. Um, Standard 200 to 300 BPS downside. GME and Upstart both still relatively illiquid. Upstart's earnings are tomorrow after hours. We kind of spent a lot of the day discussing the potential with the buyback, and I don't think the earnings will be good. I think most of any price improvement will hinge on the buyback. I expect it to almost be relatively flat, or expect us to get shorted very hard into it. GME is still relatively illiquid, trending with the market, but I'm pretty sure they have enough liquidity that if they get a red day and an advantageous position, they will short it down very, very hard in order to get the price locked in at a lower level, and then they will continue to grind out implied volatility into the end of the week. But that's kind of looks like what we're setting up for right now. Be careful playing the upside, but also, make sure that you're hedging its potential, because there is still some room there. And then don't go too far out of the money to the downside expecting Armageddon, right? Try to keep your range on puts and calls conservative and within the levels that the SPX is currently trading at. Yeah, and we'll see what happens overnight. Today, a very big rebound day after Friday's price action, so some of this could have been, market maker action. It definitely looked like a lot of pumping of the market in order to get longer dated call positions out from underwater. They were moderately successful with that. The 4150s never really got freed up to any significant degree. Those may just get left by the wayside without a bullish CPI print. So that's about it, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning for another day of fun times. Thanks so much for tuning in. Later, guys.